Now, the master degrees we've got going currently will be the Industrial Automation Masters. Once again, if you've done our bachelor's, you guaranteed entry into the masters. We've got the Safety, Risk and Reliability Masters, Electrical Masters, Mechanical Masters, and the Electrical and Instrumentation in Oil and Gas Master's degree. So this Oil and Gas Master's degree essentially takes a little bit of electrical, a little bit of safety, and a little bit of automation and chucks it all together relevant to the oil and gas industry. It's got a main focus on instrumentation as well, so it's really useful if you are in the oil and gas. Our very popular one is the Industrial Automation because it covers a broad range of fields, and students love that one. The mechanical one's great as well. The electrical is good if you're in the power utilities field because it's power systems, so it's really useful for those in the electrical industry. So for the master's degree, you need a bachelor degree, a 3-year bachelor degree or equivalent to get into the master's degree, or you need to prove that you've got further study equivalent to a bachelor's degree in order to get in. So if you've got a professional institute in your country willing to vouch for you, you're in. So it's either a 3-year or a 4-year bachelor's degree that will get you in here. So you can get some credit if you've done study of another master degree elsewhere. It's generally got 12 units and a capstone thesis project, which is fantastic because our lecturers are industry focused and your supervisors will also be industry based. It means the stuff you're working on will be either relevant to your job because you can propose your own topic. So if you're working on a project, you can do it as your thesis, and that's fantastic because we guide you to actually type it out and set it up as a proper thesis to be delivered. And we get really good projects here, and it's fantastic to see what students are up to. We've also got the study duration of 2 years, full-time or equivalent. So if you study part-time, it takes you 2 years because you essentially start in January and you finish in December, as opposed to the typical semester-based university setup where you only start in March and you finish in October. So you actually spend a little bit more time studying throughout the year. But that means instead of studying 3 or 4 years part-time, you get to finish it all off in 2 years. So that's really good for our people who are working and can't study full-time. Similar to the bachelor degree, you'd have about 1 to 2 hours live sessions, got labs, and then further study and assessment work for the rest of the week. The fees are also available on the website. So feel free to get in touch with us after the session, and we'll be happy to discuss that with you.